One guy came to the talk. Do you know why he came to the talk? To ask who killed Tupac. That's why he came to talk. Who killed Tupac? This is not police officer, brother. You understand? The point here is we have to earn, brother. Like I said, you tell them, listen, I'll live that lifestyle, into trouble, stay away from it. But Quran, you know, وَذَكِّرْ بِالْقُرْآنِ مَنْ يَخَافُ وَعِيدَ أخي. You know, remind people with the Quran, akhi. Remind people with the Sunnah al-Mustafa alayhi salam. You know, Salaf. Like I said, the Sahaba, Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu, he never sat in the masjid and he said, I used to get drunk. I used to lock down and shut down Mecca. No one's coming in, no one's going out. You know, it's a new trend. And these brothers are not du'at. They're not teachers. And the problem is not with them. They have to relax as well. They have to study. The problem is we all give them platform. It's a masjid, akhi. Sometimes you thinking, I'm a listen to, you know, if you close your eyes, you think you listen to a rapper inside the studio. He's speaking like Barakallahu fik, ya akhi. Huh? Barakallahu fik, akhi Nu'man. There's adab al-masjid, the etiquette of the masjid. Yesterday you were singing, today you become a teacher, what? Alhamdulillah, may Allah reward you, may Allah keep us orphan, but you have to seek ilm. You have to study, learn your deen. You know, Allah said, the Messenger of Allah said, the Sahaba said, that's the deen.